Good day, everyone. We are the group 4, and for today's presentation, we will be having a discussion about aerobic dance, particularly the hip hop and jazz exercise. Next slide, please. First, let us start with hip hop. So, hip hop dance is a dynamic and expressive street dance style that originated from hip hop culture, characterized by rhythmic movements, freestyle, and strong connection to music. In simple terms, hip hop dance started in urban communities, particularly in the United States, as part of the larger hip hop culture, which includes musics. Unlike traditional dance styles, it is more freestyle and allows dancers to express their individuality and emotions. It focuses on rhythm, coordination, and body control, often matching strong beats in music. In the context of aerobic dancing, hip hop is used as a fun and energetic way to exercise, helping improve cardiovascular fitness, flexibility, and endurance while keeping movements creative and engaging. Next part.
Good day, everyone. My name is Merging Simuleta, and from my part, I will discuss the background and origin of hip hop dance. The background and origin of hip hop dance started in the early 1970s in New York City, especially in the Bronx. It came from urban communities, particularly African, American, and Latino youth, who use dance as a way to express themselves and deal with social and economic struggle. Hip hop dance began during street block parties where DJs played funk and soul music. One of the key pioneers was DJ Cole Herc, who introduced the use of breakbeats. Ang hip-hop dance po dito ay nagmula sa street culture, music, at mga pagtitipo ng komunidad. Dito po nagsimula lang ito sa mga simpleng salo-salo sa kalsada kung saan nag enjoy ang mga tao sa music at sayaw. Habang tumatagal po, mas nagiging creative ang mga galaw at mas maraming tao ang nai-involve, kaya unti-unti itong lumalaki at nakikilala sa buong mundo bilang isang malaking dance movement. Next reporter po.
So, good evening, everyone. First is the research. So, good, e- so good afternoon, everyone. So, let's talk about the examples of steps. So, two-step is step side, two side with bounces. This step side to side with a little bounce in your knees. Well, it keeps your movements relaxed and rhythmic. It is a basic but versatile for any hip hop group. For example, use some step right with your right foot, bring your left foot to meet in one slide, bending your knees when you repeat to the left. Add a small shoulder sway for the style. Number two is the body roll. So the body roll is roll your chest and stomach, then hips move. So a smooth wave like motion starting from your chest is moving to your stomach, then rolling your hips. It's all about the fluidity. So, the example kung paano ginawa, to lean your chest forward slightly, push your stomach out, and let your hips follow in the rolling motion. Practice this and slowly until it feels natural. Number three, the running man. Lift knees while gliding the other foot back. So, creates an illusion of the running places in one leg and keeps legs while the other sides back, switching completely. For example, lift your right knee while sliding your left foot back, then switch, then knee up. Right foot sides, then keep, then bouncing in rhythm. So the fourth is the double side. So lean back and in the swing your shoulders and arms. So it's a relaxed group that emphasizes shoulder and arm movement while leaning the back slightly. It goes in a casual style. So, for example, lean your upper body slightly back, then sway your shoulders and move your arms as if the brushing air in front of you. Add a little head nod for extra bite. And for the last is the crisscross. Well, the crisscross jump ongoing and opening your feet, then jump while crossing your legs in the air. Then uncross the as you land, high energy moves that looks impressive. For example, let's jump, crossing your right foot over the left and land in immediately. Jump again, then this time crossing the left over the right again. Repeat of the wheel. Next, quarter.
Good day everyone. This part is originally assigned to Paul Lutao, but I will be the one presenting it today. In this part, I will discuss the purpose and benefits of hip hop. For me, hip hop is a powerful form of expression that allows individuals to share their emotions, ideas, and identity through music and dance. It is not only an art form, but also a way to stay physically active and mentally engaged. Now I will talk about its benefits. First, for physical benefits, I can say that hip hop helps improve strength, coordination, flexibility, and endurance. Its, its energetic movements also help burn calories and keep the body active. Second, for mental and emotional benefits, I believe hip hop helps reduce stress, boosts self confidence, and allows us to express our feelings freely. It also enhances creativity and improves mood. Lastly, for social benefits, I can say that hip hop brings people together. It promotes teamwork, cooperation, and communication, helping us build friendship and feel a sense of community. In conclusion, for me, hip hop is not just a dance, but a meaningful activity that benefits the body, mind, and social life. Thank you.
Good day everyone. My name is Merck and tatalakayin natin ang kahulugan ng jazz exercise or jazz dance. Ang jazz dance ay isang uri ng performance dance na pinagsasama ang technique, style at expression. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang ito basta pagsunod sa galaw, kundi mahalaga rin ang tamang execution, timing at emosyon na ipinapakita ng dancer. Karaniwan ng jazz dance ay lively at energetic. Pero maaari rin ito maging graceful o kaya naman ay sharp at precise depende sa choreography. Sa mga katangian nito ay ang paggamit ng body isolations, kung saan ang bawat parte ng katawan ay ginagalaw ng hiwalay at ang mabilis na pagbabago ng movements. Madalas natin itong nakikita sa mga theater performance, Broadway shows at music videos. At lastly ay dance competitions. Dahil dito, ang jazz dance ay hindi lang simpleng sayaw, kundi isa rin paraan ng storytelling kung saan naipapahayag ng dancer ang damdamin at mensahe na pamamagitan ng galaw. Tandaan, ang jazz dance ay isang dynamic at expressive na uri ng sayaw na nagpapakita ng kombinasyon ng technique, creativity at performance skills. Maraming salamat.
Magandang araw everyone. My name is Kiana May B. Corrales. Ang tatalakayin naman po natin ay ang background of origin ng jazz. So, ang background of pinagmula ng jazz dance ay nagmula noong early 20th century sa United States. So, ito ay influence ng African-American culture at ang jazz music, kung saan nagsimula ang mga galaw at rhythm at improvisation at expressive style. So, habang tumatagal, nag-evolve ang jazz dance at naging mas structured, lalo na mga mapasok sa mga Broadway shows, theater at pelikula. So, dahil dito, naging isa ito sa mga pinaka-popular dance styles sa buong mundo. So, hanggang ngayon, patuloy pa rin itong ginagamit sa iba't ibang performance at napapanood din natin sa stage of media. Next po.
Good day, everyone. I am Karen Bartolome, and I will discuss the purpose and benefits of jazz aerobics. Jazz aerobics is not just a fun and energetic dance workout, but it also provides many health benefits. First, it improves cardiovascular endurance, which means it helps strengthen our heart and lungs. Second, it enhances flexibility and coordination because of the different dance movements and routines. It also helps in weight management by burning calories while enjoying the music. Aside from physical benefits, jazz aerobics can reduce stress and boost our mood, making us feel more relaxed and happy. Lastly, it encourages self expression and builds confidence as we freely move and express ourselves through dance. Overall, overall, jazz aerobics is a great way to stay fit while having fun. Thank you.
Good day everyone. I'm Mamer De Leon and example of body position on Jazz. First is flat back. Standing position with feet in neutral while bent at the hip and socket at 90 degrees so that spine is elongated and parallel to the floor. And second one is lateral. Standing position with feet in seconds and the torso inclined toward one of the side. Both sides of the torso stay elongated and parallel to each other. And third one is forward lunge. Standing position with the one foot forward with the knee bend at 90-degree angle. The shin should remain perpe- perpendicular to the floor. The back leg remains straight. And fourth is side lunge. Lunging to the side with one leg bent and the another other leg straight and turn out to the sides. Um, Fifth is hinge. Alignment from the hips to the body, backward in the second position, parallel, knees bend. There is no contraction. And lastly is standing contraction. A full construction of the whole spine in fourth position. Yun lang. Thank you.
Good day, everyone. I am Meros Lakson, and today I will be discussing about the jazz aerobic sample steps. First is jazz square. Jazz square is you need to cross your right foot over your left foot and step back with your left foot and step to the right side with your right foot. Keep your weight centered, move lightly, and add arm swings or just hands for style. Next is wait, wait. Next is chasse. It's step to the right with your right foot and slide your left foot to meet the right foot lifting slightly off the ground like a small leap. Repeat to the left side and it moves smoothly like gliding on ice. Keep knees slightly bent and add hips waist. Last is just walk. Steady beat yung counts niya. And the steps is step forward with with one foot pointing the toe first, then rolling through the ball to the heel. You can do it slowly and gracefully or quickly and energetically to match the music. That's all.